Hi friends, today I'm going to make white sauce spaghetti pasta. So here are the ingredients. So this is a spaghetti. This is we can get it in the shop. This is wheat spaghetti. Then I have put capsicum. This is corn, oil for boiling, salt as per the taste. This is the cheese which I have grated. This is oregano and this is mayonnaise. So let's start with the process. First I'll put the spaghetti in the pressure cooker, and I'll put corn also together. So this is what I have done. I have broken it into the pieces, and I have put corn as well. So this is what I have put all the spaghetti in the cooker and all the corn. Now I'll put this oil. This is nearly 2 tablespoons of oil, because oil helps in not like, if you put oil then the spaghetti won't stick to each other. Before boiling you have to put. And then I'll put salt as per the taste. So this is salt. And lastly we have to put water, and we have to boil this. I'll say we will have to give 5 or 4 whistles. So I'll go for it. So in this you have to put much water, because this is wheat spaghetti, so it will take more time to boil and more time to cook. So you need to put more water so that this won't stick to each other. Also it will cook very easily. So I have put water, you can see. Okay, and then we will cover it with the lid and put it on the gas. By the time the pasta is getting cooked, so we will sort the vegetables. So here I have taken capsicum. You can add broccoli, you can add yellow and red bell peppers. So whichever vegetables you prefer you can put in that. So right now I'm putting only capsicum, because I don't like any other veggies. So here I have taken a pan. I'll put oil in this. Oil you have to take as per the vegetables. Like I have only little vegetable, like I have only this much vegetable, so I have taken this much oil, and I'll let it heat. It's heating. There is one more ingredient which I have forgotten. This is, you can say, pepper powder, black pepper powder. So here I have taken this for sauteing the vegetables. So I'll put the vegetable. Then I'll put a little bit of pepper powder, not too much, otherwise it will be too spicy. If you like spicy then you can add up. And I'll put a little bit of salt as per this vegetable, and then I'll saute it up. So here you can see you can put yellow and red bell peppers. That looks good. The texture looks good in the pasta. Even the broccoli you have to put it together, like when you're sauteing the vegetables. And if you put broccoli while boiling with the pasta, then it will be it will be into tiny pieces and you can't find it out. So the vegetable, this is done. Because this should be crunchier, I will put it off the gas. So this should be crunchier, otherwise the pasta will be it will be very soft, and you won't enjoy it as you eat outside, as you eat in the restaurant. It won't taste like that. So we will wait for the pressure cooker We will wait for the whistle, 4 to 5 whistles, and then we will proceed for the white sauce making. And that is too easy with only 3 ingredients. So now we have done with the whistles and all. So let's check if it is boiled and if it is cooked or no. So let's open the pressure cooker. So you can see the color have changed, and see the water. So you don't have to throw this water because we will put cheese and mayonnaise, so this will work as a sauce. So yeah, this is the color it should come out. If it is darker in color, so that it is not cooked, but this color is perfect color of the spaghetti. So yeah, let's start with the sauce thing. So for sauce, first of all I'll put this capsicum which I have sorted in black pepper and salt. I'll put it in this. Next step is we will put the cheese. This is Amul cheese. The cube, I have put 3 cubes. So I'll put it in it. And I have grated it. So I'll put it in it. So here it goes. And next step is I'll put oregano as per your taste. If you like more Italian flavor, so you can put more. You can also put chili flakes. I don't want spicy, so I'm not putting chili flakes. And the last step is we will put mayonnaise. So mayonnaise, I'll put around 2 spoons of mayonnaise, or you can see this. So the combination of mayonnaise and cheese will give you the flavor of white sauce pasta, which you get it in a restaurant. So yeah, here is this the mixture. So I'll mix it up and I'll show you how the color comes and how the texture comes. So here I'll mix it up. You need to mix it up very quickly so that the cheese in it melts. I would suggest you should do this process, like this cheese thing, when the water is boiled and water is hot, so that the cheese get melt very fast and very easily, and it will be easier for you to mix it up. So yeah, see, you can see the texture. It is coming out like a white pasta, and you will like the taste as well. So don't dry up the water. If you like it watery, you can have it like this, and if you want to have thick pasta, then you can dry it up a little bit, or you can put more cheese, so it will be nice. So here the pasta are ready. This is spaghetti pasta, so we will put it in a serving bowl or a serving dish. So we are putting it in a bowl, serving bowl. You can see the texture. See, this is sauce. See the capsicum and corn, and you can put mushroom also. If you like to put mushroom, then you can put mushroom also. So yes, I will put all the ingredients which I have used in my link, and you can also follow it, and you can share my recipe, and you can subscribe my channel, and you can share it with your friends and tell them to subscribe if you like my video. And you can also make it and enjoy your pasta. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do share, like and subscribe.